Buddy, so this is a video about the different computer repairs and their prices. So let's start off with the first computer repair that we have, the laptop screen replacement. Okay, so it's a pretty normal computer repair that you'll probably come into a computer shop for. This is a laptop screen replacement. Typically, this can range anywhere from $300 to $500 dollars for this computer repair, depending on parts, really. So depending how expensive your laptop is, the prices for the screen replacement could go in there be between $300 to $500, just because of how much it really costs to source parts needed for it. The labor can be about $200, so $300 on the minimum. So yeah. It's pretty simple repair also. Normally it could take like an hour, maybe two, depending what kind of obstacles your repair person might run into. The next on the list of PC repairs or computer repairs is the RAM upgrade. Okay? So RAM upgrade is a pretty simple process. Generally it involves unscrewing the screws off the back of your laptop, taking off the back panel. Sometimes you have to go and take out the motherboard and then turn it around and then to get to the RAM and then replace it. But oftentimes it's simple, taking out the back panel, removing the RAM, sticks that are in there, and replacing the more current ones or ones with more storage capacity. And that computer repair can be done in typically about an hour. It can cost about $100, $200, $100 to $200, depending on how much the RAM is, the parts are. A non-starting computer repair is the third computer repair on our list. This is very simple to diagnose, but can take a while to fix. It really depends more on your computer's processing power more than anything, because if I'm able to fix it, but I have to install a new operating system, then that's going to take as long as your computer takes to install that software. It's not up to me, it's more up to your laptop in any sense. This computer repair can be anywhere from $200 to $400. It really depends on what I actually have to do to replace it or to repair it. The repairing the process can change depending on what actually caused the issue. So it also depends on parts, right? So depending on the cause, you may need a new hard drive battery, a new hard drive or CMOS battery or a regular battery. You may need a new power cord. You may need a replacement of the adapter for the power cord actually on the motherboard. You may need a fresh operating system installed as well. And again, that can depend on how long your processor allows it to happen, allows it to take, how fast it is. Alright, the next repair on our list of computer repairs, of average normal computer repairs, are key fixes. So oftentimes you may find in your laptop that you may get a key stuck or the touchpad is stuck, and that causes some issues where you're typing or if you're coding or whatever. You may have some issues where you just can't push the right updates through because you're always pressing enter or you're always double clicking or whatever the issue is. Sometimes a keyboard issue can cause those problems. Sometimes you can have some malware. Sometimes it can be as easy updating some drivers, right? And really depending on what the cause is and what the fix, the solution is for that specific issue, really does kind of determine the price there. So you're really looking at typically $100 to $150 for this kind of repairs. It's a very simple repair, can be done in less than an hour, 9 times out of 10. But it is annoying. So it makes sense that you want to contact a computer repair person because you may just not want to deal with it. It's really frustrating. I was dealing with this the other day and I finally got around to fixing it because I just didn't want to deal with it either, ironically. But yeah, it's fairly simple to diagnose. That is $100 to $150 typically. The next repair on our list is the virus removal or removal of unwanted ads. This is a fairly simple repair. It can take about an hour to fix, sometimes less. The price for this is about $100. It's very simple to fix, to find the problem and get it updated. A lot of times it's an issue with the browser itself. Sometimes it can be an extension that you've got on there, or just some programs that are saved locally on the desktop that are causing issues with the browser. It's usually fairly simple to fix. Sometimes you need to run a virus scan, and it'll find those programs that are requested doing permissions and pushing things that shouldn't be pushed. The last one is peripheral repairs like printer issues. So oftentimes there's an issue with the toner or updates where the printer has to update. Sometimes you'll see issues where, for whatever reason, the printer doesn't have a way to plug in any kind of cable straight to the router, so you do have to do some wireless updates. Sometimes, depending on your ISP, you may get a kind of not so good router that can cause some frequent drops in wireless connections to your printer and other devices in time, especially printers. They're just not don't always look great, especially the cheaper ones. You can get like $40 HP printers that just don't work right. A diagnosis and you can fix that fairly simply. This PC repair, computer repair can go $100 to $200 depending on the cause and any related issues. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, follow, subscribe, turn notifications, share it with your friends, help get this video more traffic so we can reach more people and do more repairs, and of course sell more of our merch on the website sanantonioscomputerrepair.com /products if you want to try out our laptops.